How to fix Spotify login problem with this email and password. Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you on how to fix your Spotify login problem with the email and password that says combination is incorrect. Okay, so first of all, to fix this process, open your Spotify and try to log in with your email and password. When it says the combination is incorrect, just continue with the option of login without password and then tap on Open Email app. And here you can see Spotify has sent you a mail to log in back easily. So just simply tap on Go to Spotify, and this way you can easily log into your Spotify account. Now start listening and have fun. This is how you can fix the Spotify login problem with this email and password that says combination is incorrect. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you. See you in the next video.